Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I did a recent video with a project share and tutorial on a gatefold style pocket using the Mini Envelope Punchboard by We Are Memory Keepers. I will put the link down below to that video for those that have missed out on seeing the video and tutorial. But this is what I made here with the mini one. And I wanted to create a closure for the gatefold, so I thought I'd use the envelope punchboard, the mini one, to create a closure. And this is how it looks like here. So it's got like a little notch here, and then this part here where then you just close the gatefold that way, and it just closes it up nicely. And then on the inside I made a pocket with a thumb notch here, also using the punchboard, as well as these two note cards. This one also was punched out with the punchboard to create like a file tab pull, as well as a tab shape to adhere to this card. And then you can add some like clear packaging to the front of the card and use that as a gift, or you can attach a gift card or use this as a note card to write messages. So it's just another little fun way to send some little gift or to add to some Happy Mail packaging. And I just thought it turned out really really cute. And this was the one that I did the tutorial on in that video. But I wanted to do this video with the larger We Are Memory Keepers punchboard for those that don't have the mini one. So I wanted to do a tutorial with the measurements with this size. It's just a little bit different in the measurements as well as the size of the gatefold card. So this is the larger one with the larger punchboard. This was a smaller one. So there is just a slight difference in size, not that much. And this is the inside as well, same style with the pocket, and also these are two note card or tags on the inside. I'm also going to do a little small giveaway at the end of the tutorial, so stay to the end of the tutorial for the details of my little giveaway that I'd like to gift to one of my subscribers here on my channel. But let's go ahead and we'll make this larger one, and then we can do the giveaway details. Alright, so we're going to make this one here. So you're going to need a few pieces of paper. It is exactly the same as the mini punchboard card, again just slightly different in size. So to make this, you want to cut a piece of paper, a large piece. The first one is you want to score that at 3.5 inches by 9 inches. Another piece at 3.5 inches by 4 inches. A piece at 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. Another piece at 3/4 of an inch by 3 inches. A little small piece at 1.5 inch by 1 3/4 of an inch, and you want to score that in the middle. And with this piece here, we're going to start with this one here. You also want to score this piece. You want to score it at 2.5 inches, and then you turn that over and do the same and score that at 2.5 inches as well. And now we're going to use the punchboard to create the notch for the gatefold cover. So on this edge of the paper, you want to line it at the number 1, just over here. So we're going to line that at the number 1, and we're going to punch that down. And we'll turn that over to the other side, and we'll do the same to the other end. And now we're going to repeat that to the other end of your paper. Okay, so that does the cover. And what you want to do here is, if your print is on this side, you want to go onto the right side, and we're going to trim off from this curve to that curve there. So you just want to cut that nice and straight. So that's what you'll get. And we're going to just turn this over. We're going to press down on those fold lines. Just going to use this to press it down. And press it down really well. And then we're going to close up the cover now. So you've got the notch on the left side. You're just going to tuck that in the middle. And what you'll notice is it's not going to want to come down flat. So what I do is I just press that in the middle, and then this part will curve. You grab your scoring tool and you're just going to gently just press it down like that until it wants to fold flat. And you're going to turn that to the other side, and you're going to do the same. And then you'll see that it will close nicely now. So that is how I've done the cover. And you've got that. We're going to now grab the piece that was cut at 3.5 by 4 inches. You're going to put this on your scoreboard, and you're going to score on 3 sides, 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, and 1/4 of an inch. I've already pre-scored mine. And on the top part here, on the 4-inch side that hadn't been scored, we're going to line this edge to the number 2, and we're going to press that down, and it will give you this little notch here, which will be the thumb notch for your pocket. And we're going to just cut these in an angle where you've got those score lines, and down the bottom where they cross over. It just makes it easy for your inserts to go in your pocket. And we're just going to fold that now. And again, pressing that down with your bone folder. And we're going to adhere the pocket to the gatefold cover. So I'm just going to grab my glue. Let's grab this. Just going to grab your cover now. We're just going to place it in the middle between the score lines, or wherever you like. Just press that down, and that gives you your pocket. And now we're going to grab, you'll notice the 2 pieces of papers that you cut. One will be slightly, on the 3.25 inch side on the top here. You'll notice one is a little bit shorter. The one that's the shortest, we put that to the side. We're going to use the larger piece that was cut at 3.25 by 3.25. We're going to line that up here, and we're going to line this edge just here at the very end of that arrow tip, at the very end there, just after the 2 E's. I'm just going to line that to there, and then we're going to press that down, and you'll see it'll do that. We're going to turn this over now, and along that line again, and we're just going to press that. So you'll have that, and now we're going to get the scissors, and we're going to just cut up to that little curve there again, and just nice and straight as you can, and the same to the other side. And that will give you your file folder shape with the pull tab, and that will sit nicely in your pocket, just like that. And now we've got this piece here that was cut at 3.25 by 3 inches. That will be the note card with the little tab that we're going to make, that we cut out this little piece here. So with this piece that you scored in half, we're going to fold that over. We're going to open this up, and along that crease line in the middle, we're going to slide that in, and you want to have that centered to that silver piece there, as center as you can get it. And then press that down, and we'll do the same to the other end. and then you can fold that down, and that will give you like a tab shape. And we can now just adhere that to that little piece of paper along the 3 1/4 inch side, and you can align it where you like to place your little tab. I like to place my tab along either the left or the right side, so it doesn't clash with the tab that we made with the other card. So then you can just place it as high as you like it. So I'm just going to place one there, so that when you place it in your pocket, you'll be able to see both the tabs. I'll go this way. I'll take this one out. So when you place that on the inside, you can still just slightly see the tab. So that will just sit in there nicely, and then it's nice to be able to have it peeking out like that, and that creates your gatefold pocket insert. Very easy, and then you can decorate it and add whatever you like to your pocket. So that is how I made the measurements using the larger punch board. So that's for that. And now with the giveaway that I'd like to gift to one of you, just clear all this up here. So I'm going to show you what you will receive if you are the winner. I'm going to gift this gatefold card pocket, and then you can have fun decorating the inside and do what you like with it. You can also do what I've done here, and you can punch a little hole on one of the tabs and add a little charm. You can do that. So that is part of the giveaway. You'll also receive a little matching mini envelope that I've made with the Mini Envelope Punchboard. This one here is the one that is 2 by 3 card size, for the 2 by 3 card size, the bottom one here. So that's a little note card. You'll also receive a little pack of ephemeras that you could probably that you could add to here if you like, or use for other projects, as well as this banner shaped paper layered embellishment that I've made, and you get 2 inside. So there's 2 of those, and then you can use them in your projects. And there are 4 random word sentiments that you could also use in your projects. So this one here is a completed one that I've made. I've got here some a straw that I cut up, and then I just pressed it down to give it some dimension to the banner shape layering. So that's how I've done that. But this is the little giveaway I like to gift to one of you. So all you need to do is, you will have to be a subscriber of mine. Please like this video, and down below leave a comment. You can just leave a comment saying thank you, I would like to enter the giveaway. That way I know that you want to enter, and I will announce the winner tomorrow evening. So I'll give it 24 hours around that time to for you to enter, and then I will be back tomorrow with the winner of this cute little giveaway. Thank you all for watching, and it is open internationally. It may just take a little while for you to receive it if you are an international winner, due with what's happening right now with all the border restrictions, but it will get to you. So again, good luck everybody, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.